Good evening. Welcome to my channel Chiranjeevi Talks on Vedic Mathematics. First of all, wish you happy Rakhi Purnami to all. అందరూ రాఖీ కట్టిస్తున్నారా? ఆడపిల్లలు అందరూ రాఖీ కట్టారా? గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. Sherlock. Good evening. Yeah, there is a problem on the board, children. Today we are moving on to the new topic, trigonometric ratios on some specific angles. There is a problem on the board. Show that 1 minus sin 60 degrees by cos 60 degrees equal to tan 60 minus 1 by tan 60 plus 1. We have to do it. I know Anish. Once again, happy Rakhi Purnami to all. Yeah. First of all, we need to recall the values. The values of trigonometric ratios on 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60, 90. We need to recall all those values. I told you that if you are able to recall, not able to, if you try to recall, yes, that is the correct word. If you try to recall values for sine, ratio sine A, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, then automatically we can tell the values for the remaining ratios also. Okay. Now, can anyone say what is sine 60? Am I audible, children? No one is answering. Am I audible first? Please tell me. Am I audible? నేను మీకు వినపడుతున్నానా? Then why you are not giving answers? Who is alien? So sine 60 root 3 by 2, is that right? Okay. First consider LHS part, that is 1 minus sine 60 by cos 60. Now substitute the values. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 na? So 1 minus root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now simplification. Take LCM on the top. LCM 2. 2 minus root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. I think 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? 2 minus root 3 by 1. Since the denominator is 1, no need to do anything, just leave like that. So a simplification for LHS is 2 minus root 3 by 1. 2 minus root 3 by 1. Okay, na? Now take RHS. Tan 60 degrees minus 1 by tan 60 plus 1. What is tan 60, children? What is tan 60 degrees? Root 3, very good. So this is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now we need to simplify this. We need to simplify this because if we observe the denominator, it is an irrational number. So we need to change this denominator into a rational number. So what we have to do, we have to multiply with its rationalizing factor, that is root 3 minus 1. Multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3 minus 1. Okay? Why? Since the denominator contains irrational number. Okay? So we need to rationalize it. Very good, Lalita Aditya. Ritvik Bandar. We need to rationalize it. Very good. Now, root 3 minus 1 whole square by root 3 square minus 1 square. Is that right? Root 3 minus 1 whole square, a minus b into a minus b, numerator. A minus b into a minus b whole square. And denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now further simplification, this we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square form. A square minus 2ab plus b square by 3 minus by 3 minus. Now when you simplify the numerator, you get 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 whole square is 3. Root 3 whole square is 3. Minus 2 into 1, 2 root 3. Plus 1 square is 1. And here these two are like terms. These two are like terms. So we need to add them. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Children, how can we simplify it? 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Can we simplify it? Or further simplification is not possible? Where? Where we need to take 2 common? Just listen to my question. We got this answer. Can we can we simplify further, or this is the only answer? So take 2 common in numerator. Okay, good. Take 2 common in the numerator. If I take 2 common, remaining is 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 minus root 3. So both LHS and RHS we got the same answer. Both LHS and RHS we got the same answer. Is that right? So the question is show that this is equal to this, we done that. Question is show that this is equal to this. And we have done it. Okay, na? Now moving on to next question. Moving on to next question. Verify sine 60 degrees cos 30 degrees minus cos 60 degrees sine 30 degrees is equal to sine 30. This is the question. Verify. How to do it? The question is verify sin 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sin 30 is sin 30. How to do it? Cos 30 is equal to sin 60. Okay. What is the use of that? Yes, again we have to simplify LHS and RHS separately. Okay. We need to simplify LHS and RHS separately, and we need to prove they are equal. Then verification is done. So, first we will see LHS. Sin 60 cos 30 cos 60 sin 30. This is 3 by 4, 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, 1 by 2. So LHS we got 1 by 2. RHS sin 30, we know it is 1 by 2. So both are equal. Both are equal. So verification done. Is that understood? Yeah, next question. If A is equal to 45 degrees, verify that sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Another model. If A is equal to 45 degrees, verify that sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. This is also same, children. We need to take LHS first and RHS next. Then we need to prove both are equal. Here, the new thing that you have to know, sin 2A means sin of 2 into angle A. That is what you have to understand. Sin 2A means sin of twice of angle A. What is angle A, children? What is angle A given? What is angle A given? My question, 45 degrees. Very good. Then what is twice of angle A? What is twice of angle A? I think everyone is sleeping. I am not getting any answer. Twice of angle A is 90. Very good. So we need to prove that sin 90 is equal to 2 sin 45 into cos 45. That is what the central idea of the question. So LHS Sine 2a. Okay. A is 45 degrees. So 2a is 90 degrees. So sine 90, 1. Sine 90 is 1. Okay, na? Next, RHS. 2 sine A cos A. That is 2 into sine 45 cos 45 degrees. What is sine 45, children? What is sine 45? One by root 2. Very good. So 1 by root 2 into cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 1. So LHS we got 1 and RHS also 1. Now what is your conclusion, children? What is your conclusion? LHS and RHS are equal. What is LHS? What is LHS? Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a. Good. Next one. So remaining are same. Yeah. Tan A 1 by 3, tan B 1 by 2. If tan A 1 by 3 and tan B is 1 by 2, you need to prove that tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the question. No, not this is the question. And if tan A is 1 by 3, tan B 1 by 2, and tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, then show that A plus B is 90 degrees. No, not 90, 45, sorry. A plus B is 45 degrees. This is the question. Yeah. How to do this? Given tan A 1 by 3, tan B 1 by 2, and also given tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, and we need to prove that A plus B is 45 degrees. What to do? Simplify the RHS part by inserting the values by Ritwik Bandaru. Okay, Mr. Ritwik, I'll do that. Okay, so consider tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, tan A plus B. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Tan A is 1 by 3 plus what can be 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Now simplification. LCM on numerator 6, so we will get 2 plus 3 and denominator 1 minus 1 by 6. Okay. Denominator 1 minus 1 by 6. Now 5 by 6 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Denominator, this one, 6 minus 1 by 6. So 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. 1. 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6 is 1. Okay. So what we got at the end? Tan A plus B is 1. This is what we got. Tan A plus B is 1. But tan A plus B equal to this one is nothing but tan 45. See, sin 90 is also 1. Cos 0 degrees is also 1. Why I write only tan 45? Can anyone say? Tan A plus B equal to tan 45 I wrote. But if we observe, sin 90 is also 1, cos 0 degrees is also 1. But I wrote here tan 45 only exactly. Why? How can I know that? Can I write like that? Nikhil Verma to remove tan in LHSR. अरे tan अने दानिकी विलुवे लेదురా निखिल वर्मा without the angle. Tan, there is nothing. Tan is an English word which is, I don't know whether it is having a meaning or not, I don't know. So if you read tan, it is useless. You have to read tan A or tan B or tan A plus B or tan 30, tan 60, tan 90. ఎక్కడికెక్కడికో పోతారు ట్యూషన్లు వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తారో ఏంటో మీకు బుర్ర ఉందో లేదో పైగా. సరే మీ అందరికీ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. There is a triangle ABC. Okay. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5. I want tan. I want tan. Can anyone say the answer? There is a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB 3, BC 4 and AC 5 and I want tan. I want tan value. Children, from this figure I want tan value. Come on, tell me what is tan value? ఎవడెవడో ఏమిటేమిటో వాగేస్తారు, మీరు దాన్ని పట్టుకుని ఏడుస్తారు. కమాన్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ tan వాల్యూ. చెప్తా కదా, వాళ్ళు ఏదో చెప్తారు, మీరు దాన్నే పట్టుకుని అలా ఏడుస్తూ ఉంటారు. అంటిల్ యాంగిల్ నాట్ స్పెసిఫైడ్ వాల్యూ కాంట్ బి ఫౌండ్. మరి ఆ బుద్ధి ఉన్నప్పుడు దెన్ వై యు ఆర్ కాలింగ్ ఇట్ as tan రా శ్యామ్? వై యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ ఇట్ as tan, sin, cos without specifying the angles? But you know that the angle should be specified, is that right? Then why you people are calling it as tan, sin, sec, cosec? So So my question is, tan A plus B is 1 I got. Tan A plus B 1 I got. And I wrote this one as tan 45. But sin 90 is also 1. Cos 90 is, cos 0 degrees is also 1. But I wrote only tan 45. Why? Because the LHS part, tan of this angle, means we are discussing about the ratio tan A, tan of this angle equal to tan of, so that's why RHS also we need to see the same ratio. Okay, na? Tan of A, because see, tan of A plus B, if I wrote sin of 90, tan of A plus B, there is no relation between tan A and sin A. Tan A, sin A values, if you observe, there is no relation between them. But there is a relation between sin A and cos A. So tan of A plus B, we need to see the same ratio on RHS part also. So tan of A plus B is tan of 45. 1 is tan of 45. Okay, na? So then A plus B is 45 degrees. Tan of A plus B is tan of 45. We need to see the same ratio on both sides. Then A plus B is 45 degrees. Okay, na? So children, here onwards, don't say sin, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. Don't say like that. I am not saying it to only Shyam. I am saying it to everyone. Everyone is saying like that only. You are calling it then as like that, sir, tan sir, cot sir, sin sir. So everyone say yes. Will not call like that. Say yes, everyone. Find the value of sin 75 degrees and cos 15 degrees. స్నానం చేయి. అంటే స్నానం చేస్తా. Yeah. Sin 75, cos 15. We need to find these two values. Okay. Children, this is a different question. To solve these two, or to find out the values of these two ratios, we need to have two identities. I am writing that one on the board. See, sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is one formula. And second one is cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. By using these two identities, these two are called identities, but you can find you can have more applications of these two identities in 11th standard and 12th standard. These are very, very good, very, very important identities, children, which you can find them in 11th standard and 12th standard. So what I mean to say is, these two identities having their applications in 11th and 12th standard. A vast. Okay. Now, So first we need to find out this value. How to do it? Which identity we have to use? Sine 75. How? Which identity we have to use from these two? First one or second one? First one or second one, children? First one. Good. So 75 degrees, sine 75 degrees, split it into sine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay. Sine of 75 degrees, split it into sine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay na? Now apply this identity. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Is that right? So sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 degrees sin 30 degrees. Now try to simplify. Now try to simplify. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. And cos 45 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So here root 3 by 2 root 2 and there 1 by 2 root 2. So overall root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So denominator is an irrational number. Multiply with root 2 on both sides. What will you get? Root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So this is what we can say sin 75 degree value. Okay na? Root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Sin 75 degree value. Is that okay, children? Is that understood? Yeah. So next one, sin 15 degrees. You tell me what is its value. You do it and tell me. Sin 15 degree, not sin 15. Cos 15 degrees. Sorry, cos 15 degrees. You tell me. Cos 15 degrees. Cos 15 degrees we can write it as cos of 45 minus 30 degrees. Cos 15 degrees we can write it as cos of 45 degree minus 30 degree. So cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos 45 minus 30 is cos 45 sin cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. Now simplify it. 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So what is this? Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Same answer. 2 root 2 LCM. Root 3 plus 1. 2 root 2 LCM. Root 3 plus 1. So again rationalization. Into root 2 by root 2. Root 2 into root 3. Root 6. Root 2 into 1, root 2, 2 root 2 into 2, 4. So cos 15 degrees is equal to root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So with this what we can conclude? Sin 75 degrees is equal to cos 15 degrees, which is equal to root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So this is our conclusion. Okay. See, it will be like surely like that only because 75 plus 15 90 complementary angles. So sin 60 cos 30 are equal, sin 30 cos 60 are equal, sin 0 cos 90 are equal, sin 45 sin 45 are equal. Automatically sin 75 cos 15 also equal because 75 plus 15 is 90 complementary angles. Keep that one in the mind, children. So that's all for today news. That's all for today. Okay. So please click on the like button. I observed 23, only 23 students have joined. I don't know why the remaining people are not joining. I think they don't want to listen all this. Okay. So please click on the like button. Tomorrow again we'll continue with the same class. But day after tomorrow, I will go ahead with trigonometric identities. Okay, bye bye. Once again, happy Rakhi Purnami. Bye bye. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataye. Click on the like button. Tejal, take the attendance. Click on the like button, children.